Hey guys, it's Monday and I'm back out here at this dump truck. I've got the new harness started. I had to pull the Freon out of the system. I've got the lower part down here ran. I got to get the AC compressor installed back right here. Then I can start running this, get the alternator installed here, get this ran. I got it routed in, or up and around. Got to get all the bolts, get all this connected, then put the ECM back in. Once the ECM is in, then connect it, get all the charge air piping put back in, get the air filter module installed. But got the Freon pulled out, so this is the top side, which is going to go to your EGR system. This is going to be the bottom side, which is going to go to your NOx, your turbo, all the outlet sensors over here. So all this is controlled off of here, goes in there. There's your VSCP, variable speed coolant pump. We got coolant level sensor, EGR differential pressure sensor back there. So still quite a bit of shit to connect. Got to get this all bolted in place too, so y'all stay tuned. I'll bring y'all more details soon. Alright guys, got the alternator on, got the AC compressor on. I still got to pull a vacuum on the AC system. I've got everything assembled over here on this side. I got the fucking ECM put in place. I got it all secured with the little bolts and everything. Got the J2 harness, J1 harness, and J3 harness all secured for this side of the engine. All I have left is this, which is the air-to-air pipe, and then the filter housing, air filter housing. So get over here to the other side, see what all we gotta do. And a lot. So we got this one here, which routes down and around the filter module and comes up to that bracket. And then this is going to be for the EGR side, this one here. So that's fun. And then I can put this air-to-air pipe, put the filter housing back on, get all this shit plugged in. I got to connect the EGR differential pressure sensor, and then the EGR temp sensor, which yes is unplugged. So y'all stay tuned. It's kind of bright out here, so it's hard to record shit. Otherwise that thing gets in the fucking way. So I'll bring y'all back whenever I get further along. Well guys, we got her finished up. We got the harness ran, we got everything secured. I got the AC system charged back up, got the intake system put all back together, ran the engine. All the fault codes were immediately inactive. They all stayed inactive, so I went ahead and cleared them out, tested the AC system, made sure it's blowing good. That truck is done, and I think I might be going to Garland tomorrow, which I hate driving through Dallas, but it is what it is. Money pays the bills. So this is it for today. I'm going to fuck home. It's 5:15, so yeah, I'm fucking out of here. Y'all have a good afternoon.